Okay, brace yourself, I take you on a trip down memory lane. It was me, my cousin Drew, acting a fool off MLK. Lecrae, Granny told me Jesus came to save my soul. I just confess and believe in He won't never let me go. Now I praise Him, brought me through the darkest storms. My God is so amazing. If you know Him like I do, then take your hands and raise them. Oh my God, your name we glorify. Son of God, look death in the face and told it au revoir. Yeah. Glorify your name. We gonna glorify your name. That's why we came. Yeah, we were made to lift your name. All the church sing.
This my offering. You don't need a thing when you got Him. Yeah, we got that type of praise that break the walls in. I was dead till He pulled me out that coffin. Thank God for them days I was scrubbing in the bathroom. Why I learned to praise Him just by mopping in the back room. I knew He was in me when the boss said vacuum. Worship cause I want to, not cause I have to. I'm gone.
Church ain't only on the weekend. Yeah, when I get the kind of feeling, ooh, I gotta sing. That's why we came. That's why we came to lift your name. Come on and sing. Come on and sing. Glorify your name. Again, I will party sundown till day's end. Making money.
Seasons change.